This transmission pan was badly rotted. One of the bolts broke. A lot of corrosion in that bolt hole. So we're center punching it, and then we're going to drill it out with a 1/8 bit. Don't think an easy out would have worked here. It usually doesn't. And this is much quicker way to repair this than trying to helicoil it, or easy out not going to work on this, I'm pretty sure. Some guys do like to try to weld it and remove it, but when there's corrosion between steel and aluminum, nothing's really going to work. So first we drill this with a 1/8 bit. Now this one, this is a number 7. And these sizes are usually stamped on the side of the tap that we're going to use. If it's not there, you can probably Google it or find some sort of chart with your tap set. And here we have the 1/4 20 tap that we're going to tap that hole out to. Going back to the 6 by 1.25 tap would not have worked. This would have just been loose. So this way it's a little bit bigger, and 1/4 20 works perfect. You can use that with any broken 6mm. You just got to have yourself a decent tap. And aluminum is really easy. You can see how it's just cutting through there. When I was done, I cleaned it out with some brake clean. I didn't want to use compressed air. I didn't want to get a lot of filings up into the transmission. The brake clean worked okay. Aluminum's pretty soft. It probably would have just gotten caught in the screen. But once we got through there, as you can see, it's just slicing right through that aluminum. And with the 1/4 20 bolt, you want to get one that's the right length. If it doesn't go all the way through, you want to get something that's the right size. You do want to use a lock washer on there. It's just going to make the repair all that much better. And it's probably something, the easiest way to tap anything is to have it be aluminum. Actually, it just slices right through there. And there's our 1/4 20 bolt. You just want to start it by hand and work it in with a ratchet or wrench or whatever tool. And the beauty about this repair is it doesn't take much. Standard tools, the 1/4-inch bolt, these things can be bought anywhere, any Home Depot, any Lowe's, even some Walmarts. You can use the automatic center punch like I have there, or just a punch and a hammer. There's a 1/8 bit and the number 7 bit. So any drill will get the job done. And these taps, you don't have to have anything special, just the right size. Thanks for watching.